Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jidilcia Bautista, and I'm here to present the Semen Analysis. So, what is the lesson objective? The lesson objective, at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to first explain the importance of semen analysis, and second, analyze the forensic examination of semen. So, the first slide is about origin of sperm, composition of sperm, and nature of sperm. So, what is origin of sperm? The spermatozoa were first seen and ejaculates in the 17th century. However, the basic mechanism of human fertilization has been only fully understood after the discovery of ovum in 1827 rather. As a result, the interest in developing technologies for semen analysis arose from the early 90s. So, the composition of sperm. What is the composition of sperm? Human sperm cell, the prostate glands contributes about 30% of the seminal fluid. The constituents of its secretions are mainly citric acid, acid phosphatase, calcium, sodium, zinc, potassium, and protein splitting enzyme and fibrolysin. So, an enzyme that reduces blood and tissues fiber. So, nature of sperm. This is the nature of sperm. The seminal vesicles produce a yellowish viscous fluid rich in fructose and substances that makes up about 70% of human semen. The prostatic secretion influenced by testosterone is a whitish or sometimes clear. Thin fluids containing proteolytic enzyme, citric acid, and acid phosphatase and lipids. So, the third slide is all about presumptive test for semen and confirmatory test for semen. So, what is the difference of the two? So, the presumptive test for semen is semen detection. A common presumptive test for detecting semen is called the acid phosphatase or AP test. The AP test detects the enzymes acid phosphatase that secreted from the prostate gland. So, what is the confirmatory test for semen? As you can see for the picture in the image is normal versus abnormal. So, the confirmatory test for semen is confirmatory tests are the tests required to confirm the analysis. Confirmatory tests cost more than simpler presumptive tests. So, presumptive tests are often done to see if the confirmatory tests are necessary. So, the next slide is collecting DNA evidence with semen. So, as you can see, there are four image in the slide. So, first is the absorb expected liquid semen on a clean cotton swab, air dry the swab, and pack in a clean and yellow with a sealed corner. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po sa may semen na na-collected nyo, liquid semen, kukuha ka ng cotton buds, yung clean cotton buds, tapos isuswab nyo lang siya, then ilalagay nyo siya sa sealed corners or sa isang pack lang ng papel na pwede mong iseal para hindi siya makontaminate. So, second is submit small and dry suspected semen stained object to the laboratory. Park in clean and draw lock with seal corners to prevent stain removal. And third is documenting the scene. So, lahat ng evidence na nakuha mo, kailangan mo siyang i-document. Parang example, yung DNA evidence, kailangan mong i-document kung anong oras mo siya kinuha, and yun lang. Tapos processing evidence at the scene. And lastly is completing and recording the scene investigation. So, in the crime scene, kailangan mong i-record yung mga kaganapan. Dapat kung kailangan picturean mo siya, pipicturean mo siya in any form of angle. So, the last is the importance of semen analysis in criminal investigation. So, for DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid can help in successfully linking semen to suspect through DNA. So, matutukoy ng isang investigator kung sino yung pumatay. Kunyari, habang sinasaksak niya yung isang biktima na din siya, na nadungisan din siya, or may naiwan na buhok, or kung nirape niya naman may iwan na semen. So, based doon, kukuha sila, tapos example nila, tapos malalaman nila kung sino yung pumatay. Second one is medical legal practice. So, the doctor or investigator will know if rape happened. So, ganun lang yung mangyari. So, that's all for today's discussion.